In the vast blue wilderness of the central Pacific Ocean, far from crowded coastlines, the reefs around remote islands hold secrets that few people ever see. Steep coral slopes descend into deep water where sunlight fades into soft shades of blue. In these quiet places lives a rare and beautiful pygmy angelfish known as Nahacky's angelfish. Centropyge Nahackyi. This small angelfish inhabits deeper reef environments around islands such as Johnston Atoll and parts of the Central Pacific. Unlike many brightly colored reef fish that live in shallow lagoons, Nahacky's angelfish prefers the outer reef slopes, where the ocean drops away into open water. These reefs are shaped by strong currents and scattered coral growth, creating caves, ledges, and overhangs that provide shelter for creatures adapted to life beyond the brightest sunlight. Though modest, in size usually reaching about 8 to 10 centimeters long, this species is striking in appearance. Its body carries a warm blend of orange, amber, and reddish tones that glow softly. In the filtered light of deeper water, across the body run subtle darker markings, while the fins may show hints of blue along their edges. The tail often carries a slightly brighter tone, adding contrast to the body. In the dim reef environment, these colors seem almost illuminated, helping the fish stand out among the darker rocks and coral shadows. Like other pygmy angelfish of the genus Centropyge, Nahacky's angelfish spends most of its day moving carefully through reef structures. It darts between coral branches and rocky crevices, pausing frequently to graze. Its diet includes algae, small invertebrates, and tiny organisms growing across the reef surface. This constant feeding may seem simple, but it plays an important role in maintaining the reef's balance. By trimming algae and consuming small organisms, the fish helps prevent the reef from becoming overgrown and supports the health of coral communities. Life in deeper reef zones demands caution. Predators can appear suddenly from the open water, so the angelfish rarely ventures far from cover. When startled, it slips instantly into a narrow crack or a coral opening, where its colors blend with the reef's shadows. This shy nature, combined with its relatively deep habitat and limited distribution, makes encounters with the species uncommon. Social behavior in Nahacky's angelfish follows the fascinating patterns seen in many angelfish species. Individuals begin life as females and live within small groups occupying a particular section of reef. One fish becomes the dominant male, maintaining order and breeding with the females. If the male disappears, the largest female gradually transforms into a male, ensuring the group can continue reproducing without needing to find a new partner. Because it lives in remote areas and deeper water, the species remained unknown to science until relatively recently. Its discovery highlighted how much of the ocean's biodiversity still waits to be explored. Each deep dive into these Pacific reefs reveals new details about the creatures that inhabit them. In the quiet slopes, where coral meets the open sea, Nahacky's angelfish glides through shafts of fading light. Small, vibrant, and rarely seen, hidden among the reefs of the Central Pacific, it remains one of the ocean's subtle treasures, a reminder that even in well-known seas, mysteries still swim just beyond the edge of sunlight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more deep sea wonder.